Hello guys, it's engineer AK, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to do interpolation using scientific calculator, right? The calculator that I am using is RCFX570, right? This is the model, and we will see both manually and through calculator that either our answer are correct or not. So let's suppose this is a steam table of thermodynamics, and now let's suppose I am taking this red block, right? And these are the temperature, right? 10 degrees centigrade, 15 degrees centigrade, and 20 degrees centigrade. And let's suppose we want to find the specific volume of saturated liquid at 15 degree, right? Let's suppose this is not given, right? We are given two values. At 10 we have this, at 20 we have this, and we want to find at 15 that what will be the value, right? So I have taken this 10 as a x1, 15 as a x2, and 20 as a x3, right? Same here. 0.001000, and the second we want to find this, right? Interpolation of this, and the third is 0.001002. right here I have it. So if we do manually, so we know that the formula is third minus first divided by the third minus second, and same at this side, right? So if I rearrange this equation, so I will get y2 is equal to y3 minus into brackets x3 minus x2 divided by x3 minus x1 whole into y3 minus y1, right? And if I plug in the value, so y3 is 0.00102, right? Here I have put that value, right? Let me show it. Wait. Okay, so here it's y2 y3, right, that I have put. Now this is the x3 and x2, right? x3 is 20 and x2 is 15. Same, x2 is 20, x3 is 20, and x1 is 10, right? And y3 is 0.001002, right? And y1 is equal to 0.001000, right? Now let's plug in these values in calculator and let's see that whether we are getting our answer or not, right? So if I am taking these values, so 0.001002 minus then we have three brackets 20. Hold on, let me make it first clear, and now let's enter. Okay, so 0.001002 minus, then we have three brackets, right? 20 minus 15, and then this is for divide sign, right? 20 minus 10, right? Then bracket close, multiply by 0.001002 minus 0.001123, right? And double brackets. So let's see. So we get 1.001, or we can say 0.001, right? here we can see that at 15 we are getting 0.001001, right? If we write this in decimal points, in decimal, like to eliminate this 10 to the power minus 3, so we are getting the same answer, right? So it's quite time consuming, right? And during exam it take too much time, like all the time you have to rearrange made this equation, and then you have to rearrange, and then you have to plug in the values. And if you do not plug in these values correctly, or you have you missed any parenthesis, so your answer will not be correct. So let's now do it directly through calculator, right? So for that, what you have to do, first you have to click on mode, right? And then you have to select this option, the third one, state, right? 3. And then you have to select the second one, a plus bx, right? The second option. Now here you have to plug in the first and the third value, right? Because we are going to find at 15, so we are not at the moment we are not putting it, right? So x1, first put at x1 10 equals, then second one 20 equals, right? Now at this side put the first one 0.001 1 2 3, right? Here we go. And third one 0.001 002, right? After plugging the first and the third values, you have to press the AC. Now we want to find the the interpolation at 15, that at 15 what is the specific volume, right, of saturated liquid. So for that you have to first put 50, the value at which you are going to find the interpolation, then shift key, then you have to press this one, and above it you can see there is written a state 1. Then you have to press 5 REG, this one option, and again you have to put this one option 5, and remember this sign must come after the number at which you are going to find the interpolation, right? So let's see, here we go, we are getting the same answer, 0.001001 0.001001, right? So it's quite simple, right, as compared to doing these all calculations, right? And the answer that we have get was 0.001001, right? And that was same as this 0.001001, right? Now let's take another example in order to check either our technique work or not, right? So for that I am taking these values, and let's suppose again I am finding interpolation at this, and this time I am getting pressure and saturated liquid, specific volume of saturated liquid, right, these values, and I have already written it here, right, these values and these, and at this point I want to find interpolation, right? So let's first check what answer we get manually. So I have already rearranged all this equation, and I have already plugins the value. Let me show you. Y3, this is x3, this is x2, this is x3, this is x1, this is y3, and this is y1, right? Y1 this 0.00107, and y3 0.01023, and so on, right? Now let's plug in these values in calculator and see what we get. So let me first clear it. Right, now let's put values. So 0.00103 minus, then we have three brackets, 31.202 minus 25.043 bracket close divided by 31.202 minus 19.947, right? And then you have to close the bracket, multiply by 0.00102 or 0.001023 minus 0.001017, two brackets. Let's see. So the value that we have get is 0.00119, right? 0.00 this and 19, right? Now let's check this value, 001019. Here we go, 001020 or 19, that is approximately equal to this values, right? Now instead of doing this long procedure, let's now check with the calculator, right? That what we get. So first of all, always try to first clear your calculator before doing the calculations, right? Now again, first you have to select mode, then you have to select third option, state. After that you have to select this a plus bx, second option 2. Then I have told you you have to enter the first and the third values, right? Like in 1 you have to put the first value, and in 2 you have to put the third value. So our first value is 19.947, 19.947, and our third value is 31.202, 31.202. Here we go. Now moving to another box. First value is 0.001017, right? And the second value is 0.001023, right? And okay, now after that you have to put AC button. Now you have first to write the value at which you are doing at which you are going to find the interpolation. So I'm going to find at this pressure that what is the specific volume of saturated liquid, right? So 25.043. After putting the values, then you have to press the shift, then 1 state, right? Then you have to press 2 times 5, and this sign, I told you that this sign must came after the values, the value at which you are going to find the interpolation. And now let's see. Here we go, we are getting the same value. If we eliminate this, so you will getting 0.001019 and 0.001019. So through this we directly can find interpolation using scientific calculator. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.